Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to refund on Gumroad. Okay, there are two ways. First one, if you are a creator, issuing a refund. And the second one is if you are a buyer, requesting a refund. So first up, if you're a seller, just go ahead over to the left panel, click on sales right here, and then just locate the purchase using the customer's email address or transaction ID. After once done, open it up, and then you will get a refund button, or you can just go ahead and refund fully or partially refund other customers. Okay, so to issue a partial refund, enter the amount to be refunded in the refund box, a custom amount basically, and then just click on issue partial refund. Now, after issuing, the customer will receive an email confirmation after a refund is issued, and credit card funds usually takes 5 to 10 business days to appear on the buyer's account, while PayPal refunds are immediate. So if you are a buyer trying to refund something, well, just go ahead over to the email address that is tied to your Gumroad account, and you should have received the email receipt. So the email receipt will look like this. So what you do basically is go ahead and contact the seller right here. Okay, click on this link, or you could directly reply from your emailing service. So just go ahead and state your reason clearly and politely, of course, and just wait for the creator to approve and process the return. They will do the same exact thing that I've shown you earlier. And if the creator is completely unresponsive for more than 30 days, contact Gumroad support for assistance. All right. And by the way, do keep in mind that when you buy a product from Gumroad creator, Gumroad only processes payments on the behalf of the creator. And Gumroad right here allows the creator on the platform, of course, to set their own refund policies. Make sure that you read the refund policy of that specific product. That is how you refund on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.